Hi, in front of me I have Nokia 8000 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to wipe the cache partition on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button right here on the top of our phone, right here. Press and hold it. Hold it until you see this menu on the screen. Then use the directional pad to scroll down, like this. Select the power off option and press the button in the middle of directional pad to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the two buttons together. The power button right here at the top of our phone and the asterisk button right here on the keyboard. So let's press and hold the buttons together, of course. When the KaiOS logo appears on the screen, you can release both buttons, and now let's wait. And after a few seconds, we should enter the recovery menu. To move through this menu, use the directional pad up and down buttons, like this. Let's scroll down, select the option called Wipe Cache Partition, and confirm by pressing the power button. Now, let's select yes, and press the power button again to confirm. Wait until the wiping process is complete. As you can see, it is now. And after it's complete, you can select the Reboot System Now option and press the power button again to confirm. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.